There's a police car. Good morning, everyone. Today is start of new adventure, the big one, Scotland. At the moment I'm in Manchester and I'm just driving to pick some people up, but today's target is Glasgow. We have decided to not plan too much for basically whole trip. So today's checkpoint is Glasgow, then we plan again, basically, I know, maybe 2-3 days, and we will see how it goes from there. You can tell I have a scarf, and it's not for style because I have pretty bad cold actually. I've checked my temperature, I don't have any, so that's a plus, but yesterday I was sneezing, well, I had really sore throat and everything. So that's not really fun, but you know, adventure doesn't wait. Nice weather doesn't wait. So I will just have to deal with it. Since it was the last summer day, although relatively cold one, with near 13 degrees Celsius in Manchester, we just had to stop to soak at least some of the official summer sun rays. That was also a perfect excuse to finally fly my drone that I bought specifically for this trip. It was my only second time flying, not in simulator, so footage wasn't the best, but I was still very happy and surprised how easy it was to fly a real thing. In simulator it was super difficult, but I'm still happy DJI actually made one. We just got to Glasgow, we just got to our room, and we got a really cheap room actually, and it's really nice. The bed is alright, obviously, that's really main thing in here, but in general, hotel is quite old, but it's still nice. There are some Lamborghinis around in the area, so I guess we are right. In good neighborhood. We'll probably change up and head out to get some food. So it seems that unfortunately the place that we want to go is actually closed. So probably we're either going Tesco or just some random takeaway, you know, as always. Sounds like Caspian kebab it is. So anyway, so we finished our dinner, which wasn't the best. Yeah, I mean, it was food, but that's about it.
There's loads of calories in there.
Yeah, so but now we wanted to go to this Tesco and it seems that it's closed.
Yeah. We're going to Metro.
Whoa.
There is Tesco Metro a bit further away.
Okay.
That should be open until 12. Anyway.
And probably head back to our place where we stay, because we have to plan everything for tomorrow and for probably a couple of days after tomorrow.
And what are we doing?
We have no idea.
And what's our plan?
We have no idea. That's how it goes.
And where are we going?
We have some idea.
We are going north.
Yeah, we're going north, somewhere towards Isle of Skye, I guess. Right?
Sounds good to me.
Yeah, anyway,
We
so
just made our plan.
yeah, we just made our plan. So stay tuned for more, I guess.
We'll see where we end up.